In this quick video, I'll show you how to save your document in LibreOffice Writer so you never lose your work. To start, move your mouse to the top left corner and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Save As if you're saving for the first time. If you've already saved before, you can just click Save instead. A window will open asking where you want to save your file. Pick a folder that's easy to remember, like Documents or your desktop. Then type in a clear file name that describes what your document is about. Below the name box, you'll see Save As Type. By default, Writer saves in the .odt format, which works perfectly for LibreOffice. Once you've picked your location and file type, click Save. Your document name now appears at the top of the window, showing it's successfully saved. You're all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tutorials coming your way.